Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nageshwar SKRK School channel, Sholapur. I, Nikita teacher, teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, come on, tell me what we are going to do in this today's session. Today what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to start with a new lesson. That is lesson number 7. We are going to see lesson number 7, that is Kolkata. Okay? In the previous chapter, in the previous lesson, what we have learned? We have learned about Mumbai. We have visited how is Mumbai. Yes? Yes children, if you have not visited Mumbai, whenever you are planning with your family to visit Mumbai, you can go and see Mumbai and you can enjoy and have a fun with your family. Then what we have learned in Mumbai, what we have discussed about Mumbai, what we have seen in Mumbai, where if you will visit, what things you can see. Yes, we have seen that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. As you know, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra and it is known as, previously it was known as Bombay. Yes, and where it is situated? It is situated on the west coast of India, facing the Arabian Sea. Yes, and even what all the important offices, government offices are also there in Mumbai. In the same way we have discussed about climate also. How is the climate in Mumbai? It is moderate climate. In summer season, how is the climate? It is, in summer season, how is the climate beta? It is very pleasant and it is warm and humid. Okay? And in July, June, it rains very heavily. In the month of June, July and August it rains very heavily. And even we have discussed about food. Which food is famous in? Which is the famous street food in Mumbai? Yes, we have seen Bhel Puri. Yes, Vada Pav and Pav Bhaji is the famous street food in Mumbai. Whereas which is the famous sweet dish in Mumbai? Yes, Shrikhand. And even we have discussed about festival. Even Mumbai, they are celebrating all the festival, but which is, though they are celebrating all the festival, Ganesh Chaturthi is the one of the most popular festivals celebrated in Mumbai. And even we have seen which type of language they are speaking in Mumbai. Most of them are speaking Marathi and Konkani, and even some of the people, they are speaking other languages also, like Gujarati, Hindi, Urdu, yes, and many more Indian languages also. And even we have seen what are the tourist places in Mumbai. Yes, where you can visit and have fun with your family. Yes, there are very beautiful places. You can visit Mumbai, like Marine Drive is there. Yes, even you can visit SL World, Aquarium, Halli Ajil Dargah, even Siddhivinayak temple you can visit. And even there is a landmark, an important landmark in Mumbai, that is known as Gateway of India. Even you can visit about 10 km. That Elephanta caves are there near Mumbai. You can visit there also. Yes, and even we have seen what type of transport are there in Mumbai. People travel by buses and local trains. Even there are having many industries and institutions. You can see there is a oil factory, like textile industries there, factories are there, medicines factories are there, chemical industries are there. In the same way, Mumbai is also well known as film city, that is known as Bollywood. Even we have discussed, and so many industries are there, like Bhabha Atomic Research. Yes, many institutes are also there. Then we have learned in this Mumbai chapter. Okay, now already we have visited Mumbai, we have discussed how beautiful Mumbai is. Now in the next lesson we are going to learn about Kolkata. Yes, now we are going to visit Kolkata. What is there in Kolkata? Yes, children, let us talk about Kolkata, the joy of city. Yes, are you ready to enjoy the city Kolkata? Yes, okay, let's have fun with Kolkata. Who is Kolkata? Let's see. Okay children, let's start with the lesson. Yes children, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to start with the new lesson, that is lesson number 7, that is Kolkata. The name of the lesson is what children? Kolkata. And in this lesson what you are going to learn? Yes, we are going to see what we are going to learn in this lesson. We are going to learn its location and climate. What we are going to see? Its location and climate, where it is located and how is the climate in Kolkata. Whereas we have discussed in the previous lesson also in Mumbai as well as in Delhi also. Now we are going to discuss about Kolkata, about its location and climate. And next thing what we are going to discuss, the dress, food and language of the people. In the same way how we have discussed about Delhi and Mumbai, in the same way we are going to see what dresses, which dresses are famous, what type of dresses they are wearing in Kolkata, which food is famous and what type of language they are speaking. We are going to see in this lesson. That is lesson number 7, Kolkata. And the festival, next point, what we are going to discuss, the festival celebrated and the games played. Which type of the festivals they are celebrated in Kolkata and what type of games it is famous. We are going to see in this lesson. And next thing what we are going to discuss, the place of tourist interest and the industries. What are the places where you can visit when you want, if you are planning to visit to Kolkata with your family, in which places you can visit and have fun with your family. We are going to see the tourist interest places and what are the industries are available in Kolkata. We are going to see. Yes children, understood? Yes, let's start with this. What is this children? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is the map of India. What is this? This is a map of India. Where you can see Kolkata? Yes, here is the Kolkata. Where it is Kolkata? Near West Bengal. Yes, yes children. You can see India has having so many states. Yes, so many countries. Yeah, in the previous chapter, in the term 1 also we have learned our country India. So there are so many countries. Yes, in the same way we are going to start with the lesson Kolkata. Here is a Kolkata. It is near West Bengal. Okay children, let's see the next slide. Yes, we are going to see about how is Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Yes, as I have shown you upside, what is this? Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of which? West Bengal. As you can see here, this is the map of Kolkata. What is this? This is a map of Kolkata. What is there? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. As you can see, so many places are there you can visit Kolkata. You can see, what you can see? Botany Garden we can visit, Harvara train station is there, so many places, Eden Garden is there. Yes, these things, Vidyasagar Setu, Fort William, the Maidan of Victoria Memorial, we are going to see in this lesson. We are going to see where it is situated, these things are famous for. Yes, and here you can see the famous river is that, where the Kolkata is having the Hooghly river. Yes, we are going to see here. Okay, what is this? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Yes children, which is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. In the same way, in the previous chapter Mumbai, now we are saying as Mumbai, but in previous time Mumbai was known as Bombay. In the same way, previously Kolkata was known as Calcutta. Now we are naming Calcutta to Kolkata. Now we have changed the name from Calcutta to Kolkata. That's why Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. Yes children, understood? Now it is situated on the east bank of river Hooghly. Where is situated? It is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly. Yes, as you can see, as you can see in the picture, this is the Hooghly river. If you are planning to visit with your family, if you are planning to visit Kolkata, you can see a beautiful river Hooghly, where you can have fun, where you can see such a beautiful river over there. Where you will find this river? In Kolkata city. Yes, where it is situated on the east bank of river Hooghly. Kolkata is located a little away from the sea coast. Where is the Kolkata located? It is located a little away from the sea coast. Yes, and it has an important port. Even in the same way, Mumbai is also having a port, and even Kolkata is also having an important port called Diamond Harbour. What is the name of the port? Diamond Harbour. Okay, as you can see, this is the port. Kolkata is located in the Kolkata is located a little away from the sea coast. It has an important port called Diamond Harbour. Okay children, understood? Now, which is this port? What are the useful? What things we are doing from this with the help of this port? Ship brings goods from other countries. What this port is doing? Ship brings goods from other countries and take goods to other countries from here. Yes, children, what the ships we are providing? Goods to other countries and taking goods from other countries from here. Yes. All the important offices of the state government are in the city. Even we have discussed in the Mumbai also, Delhi chapter also, there are so many local government officers. In the same way, Kolkata is also having an important office of state government are in the city. Yes. The chief minister and the governor of the state work and live here. Who work here? The chief minister and the governor of the state work and they live here. Okay. Kolkata, did you know children? Kolkata was the capital of British Empire in India in 1911. Yes, as we have learned in the Delhi chapter. After that the capital was moved to where? Yes, Delhi. Where it is moved? In Delhi. In the chapter Delhi also we have discussed this point, that Kolkata was the capital of British Empire in India 1911. As you can see, how is the Kolkata was there in the year 1911. After that, where they moved? That this capital was moved to New Delhi. Where it is moved? It is moved to New Delhi. Climate. Now let us discuss about how is the climate in Kolkata. Okay. It rains heavily during monsoon month. Where it rains? It rains heavily during monsoon month. Okay. Of June, September and often leading to waterlogging in the city. Yes. Being near the sea coast, Kolkata has a moderate climate. As you know, in the same way how Mumbai is having moderate climate. Because why it is moderate climate? Because there is a sea coast in this city. Whereas the Mumbai is also having sea coast. Okay. Being near sea coast, Kolkata has a moderate climate. How is the climate? Moderate because of this sea coast. It is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. Yes, because of this sea coast near sea, that's why it is neither very hot in summer and nor very cold in winter. Yes, you can see how neither it is very hot in summer nor cold in winter. The traditional, let us discuss about clothes. What type of clothes are famous in Kolkata? The traditional dresses for man in Kolkata is a dhoti, kurta or pajama kurta. Which is the traditional dress for man? Dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. Yes. As we have learned in clothes we wear also, there are different varieties of clothes the peoples they are wearing. In the same way the Kolkata peoples are also wearing traditional dress. Like man they are wearing in Kolkata dhoti and kurta and pajama and kurta. Yes. However, many have changed over to shirts and trousers. Now wherever you can see, wherever you visit all the cities, wherever you find that most of the men they are wearing shirts and trousers. Okay. That's why it has become common everywhere. Okay. Whereas women mostly wear sari, blouse and salwar kameez. In Kolkata, women wear sari, blouse and salwar kameez. But you have seen in clothes we wear, there the women they are draping different types of style, different style of sari. In the same way, in Kolkata they are wearing this type of sari. Yes, this type of sari is known as which style, children? As we have discussed in the clothes we wear lesson number 7, term 1 syllabus. Yes, which type of sari, which style of sari this woman is wearing? Yes, she is wearing which type of sari? Bengali. Yes, correct. Now let us discuss about food. What type of food is famous in Bengali? Okay. Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis. Most of the time, which type of foods they are eating more? Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis. As you can see, food they are eating most of the time. What they are eating rice and fish are the staple food of Bengalis. Okay, in Kolkata they are eating rice and fish. Okay, they are very fond of sweets. Yes, even they are very fond of sweets. Yes, as you can see, sandesh and rasgulla are two types of most popular sweet. Yes, what is this? This is sandesh and rasgulla. Even mishti doi is also famous. So many sweet dish are there which is famous. But rasgulla, you can see where it is famous. Mostly it is famous in Kolkata. Though all the festivals are celebrated, now let us discuss about festival. Though we are celebrating all the festivals in Kolkata, as you know, all countries we are celebrating, all states are celebrating all the festivals. But apart from celebrating all the festivals, that Kolkata is the most important ones is what? Which is the most important festival they are celebrating? That is Kali Puja and Durga Puja. Though all the festivals are celebrated in Kolkata, the most important ones are Kali Puja and Durga Puja. As you can see in the picture, which is the most important festival celebrating in Kolkata? Kali Puja and Durga Puja. Yes. Now let us see about culture, what language they are speaking. Yes children, which type of language they are speaking. Yes, understood? Now the main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. Which is the main language the people they are speaking in Kolkata? That is Bengali. Yes, the people here are fond of art and music. What is the people? They are very fond of, they love of art and music. That is art and music. Yes, the most popular games in Kolkata are football and cricket. Which is the most popular game in Kolkata? Football and cricket. Yes. Next, the great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who is he? He is the great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, belongs to Kolkata. Where is Rabindranath Tagore? He belongs from Kolkata. Who has wrote the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore, the great poet. He was the first Indian to get a Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore got a first Indian Nobel Prize. Yes, he was the great poet. Yes, understood children? Now let us see which type of transport the Kolkata is having. Kolkata main railway station are Howrah and Seedha. Okay, this is the Howrah station and Seedha station. Okay, Howrah station is located on the west bank of the river Hooghly. Where is the Howrah station located? On the west bank of the river Hooghly. Howrah and Kolkata are twin city. How is the Howrah and Kolkata? They both are the twin city. The Howrah bridge, that is Rabindra Setu. The Howrah bridge is also known as Rabindra Setu, and Vidyasagar Setu connected the twin city. Because of this setus, the cities is connected between twin city, that is known as twin city. The Howrah bridge, that is Rabindra Setu and Vidyasagar Setu, connected the twin city. These two bridges are connected to each other. That's why it is known as twin city. Kolkata was the first city in India to have an underground railway system called metro. What? Kolkata is the first city. Which is the first city Kolkata is the first city which have an underground railway system. The railway system which is having an underground railway system, that is known as what? Metro. Even as you can see, metro facilities are there in big cities like Mumbai. You can see Delhi, you can see metro facility. Now as you can see in Sholapur, is it metro facilities are available in Mumbai or Sholapur? No, but it is facilitated. But which is the first city in India having underground railway system called metro? Kolkata. Okay. The metro is an important means of transport in the city. The metro is an important means of transport in the city because it plays an important role in this city. Metro plays an important role in the means of transport in city. Okay. You can still see the trains. What you can see, still see that this is the trains. What you can see, you can still see the trains and double decker bus in the city Kolkata. You can also find the trains. What you can see, trains as well as double decker bus in the Kolkata. Okay. The airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. What was the name of the airport of Kolkata? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. This airport is named as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Where it is? It is in Kolkata. The airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. As you can see, this is the airport. Okay. Now let us see about industries. Let us discuss about industries in Kolkata. In the heart of the city, as you know, Kolkata is the heart of the city. And where it is, what are famous in Kolkata, which type of industries and which type of places are famous in Kolkata? Let us see. In the heart of the city are Fort William and the Victoria Memorial. Okay, what is this? Fort William and the Victoria Memorial. Yes. As you can see, so many places like Birla Planetarium, Science City, Kalighat, Indian Botanic Garden. As you can see, in the first map you have seen the India map. After that you have seen the Kolkata map, where we can find so many places, industries you can find, where it is famous, which places, what is famous in Kolkata. You can see that is Birla Planetarium, Science City, Kalighat, India Botanic Garden. Okay. And whereas you can visit to Alipur Zoo, Belur Maths Lab, yes, Rabindranath Sarovar are some other places which attract tourists to Kolkata. Yes children, there are so many beautiful places in Kolkata where you can visit so many beautiful places. Yes children, understood? These are the tourists. Okay. Now the National Library, the biggest library in India, is Kolkata. As you know, which is the biggest library in India? Where you will find the biggest library in India? Of course, it is in Kolkata. The National Library, it is known as National Library, the biggest library in India. It is in Kolkata. Okay, this is the National Library. Okay. As you see children, so how is the Kolkata? In the heart of the city are Fort William and the Victoria Memorial. Okay. Whereas you have visited so many tourist attraction. Yes children. And the Birla Planetarium, the Science City, Kalighat, Indian Botanic Garden, Alipur Zoo, Rabindranath Sarovar, Belur Math are some other places which attract tourists to Kolkata. And even the National Library, the biggest library in India, is in Kolkata. Whereas which industries you can find? There are several industries in Kolkata. That is, you can find here jute factories, textile industries, rice industries, rubber paper industries and chemical, and some of the many more industries you can also see. It is famous in Kolkata. Okay children? Understood? And what you have learned in this lesson? That Kolkata is the capital of what? West Bengal. Kolkata has how climate? What is the climate in Kolkata? How is the climate? Kolkata has a moderate climate. Kolkata has a moderate climate. And Kolkata has a major port. Kolkata has a major port. Kolkata has a major port. Yes? Called that, it is named as Diamond Harbour. Yes, what is named as Diamond Harbour. Yes, children. And even Kolkata has an underground railway system, which is the first railway, which is where is the Kolkata is the city which is having an underground railway system, that is known as metro. That is known as metro. The main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. What is the main language the Kolkata people they are speaking is Bengali. Okay. As children, what you have learned in this lesson, that we have seen that where is the Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, where it is earlier known as Kolkata. Yes, and it is situated on the east coast of Hooghly River. Okay, children. Now what you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook and page number 37, and we are going to start reading. We are going to start reading the lesson, okay, with the help of audio. Are you ready? Have you opened page number 31? Sorry, page number 37, that is lesson number 7. Okay, let's start reading with the help of audio. When I will start the audio, you have to read along with audio. Okay, children? Done? Okay, are you ready with your books? Okay, let's start the audio.
Kolkata. By the end of this lesson, you will learn about the city of Kolkata, its location and climate, the dress, food and language of the people, the festivals celebrated and the games played, the places of tourist interest and the industries. Is Kolkata in the north, south, east or west of India? What is the first thing you think about when you hear the name Kolkata? Rasgulla, Metro, Durga Puja, or is it something else? Share your thoughts with your classmates.
Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata was earlier known as Calcutta. It is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly. It is the third largest city of India. Kolkata is located a little away from the sea coast. It has an important port called the Diamond Harbour. Ships bring goods from other countries and take goods to other countries from here. All the important offices of the state government are in the city. The chief minister and governor of the state work and live here.
Did you know Kolkata was the capital of the British Empire in India till 1911. After that, the capital was moved to New Delhi.
Climate. Being near the sea coast, Kolkata has a moderate climate. It is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. It rains heavily during the monsoon months of June to September, often leading to waterlogging in the city. Clothes. The traditional dress for men in Kolkata is a dhoti kurta or pajama kurta. However, many have changed over to shirts and trousers. Women mostly wear sari blouse and salwar kameez. Food. Rice and fish are the staple food of the Bengalis. They are very fond of sweets. Sandesh and rasgulla are two of their most popular sweets. Festivals. Though all the festivals are celebrated in Kolkata, the most important ones are Kali Puja and Durga Puja. Culture. The main language spoken in Kolkata is Bengali. The people here are fond of art and music. The most popular games in Kolkata are football and cricket. The great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote our national anthem, belonged to Kolkata. He was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize. Transport. Kolkata's main railway stations are Howrah and Shialia. Howrah station is located in the west bank of the river Hooghly. Howrah and Kolkata are twin cities. The Howrah Bridge, Rabindra Setu and the Vidyasagar Setu connect the twin cities. Kolkata was the first city in India to have an underground railway system called the Metro. The Metro is an important means of transport in the city. You can still see trams and double-decker buses in the city. The airport in Kolkata is named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Industries. There are several industries in Kolkata. Jute, textile, rice, rubber, paper and chemicals are some of the important industries. Tourist attractions. In the heart of the city are Fort William and the Victoria Memorial, the Birla Planetarium, Science City, Indian Botanic Garden, Alipur Zoo, Rabindra Sarovar and Vellore Math are some other places which attract tourists to Kolkata. The National Library, the biggest library in India, is in Kolkata.
Did you know the Howrah Bridge is a cantilever bridge with supports only at the two ends?
Yes, children, understood what we have learned in the lesson? Kolkata. How is Kolkata? Which places are famous? Which industries are famous? Whose textile are there? Yes, where it is situated? It is situated on the bank of river Hooghly. Yes, even Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Even we have seen how is the climate. Yes, and we have seen about clothes, what type of clothes they are wearing in Kolkata, food, famous food, yes, festivals also we have discussed, and cultural, which cultural they are following, and what type of transport facilities are there, and industries, which are the industries there. You can see several industries in Kolkata like textiles, jute, rice, rubber, yes, paper, and even you have visited so many tourist attraction you have seen like Birla Planetarium, yes, Alipur Zoo, Math, Vellore Math, yes, you can visit, and one of the most biggest library, yes, it is in Kolkata. That library is known as National Library. Yes, as we have done today in the session, we have completed this lesson number 7, that is Kolkata. In the next session, we are going to continue with this lesson only. We are going to see with question answer session, and we will see some presentation, animation and some interactive task. Okay children, before that what I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you a homework. Yes, that you have to open your Canopy textbook. Yes, you're going to open your Canopy textbook and you're going to start reading lesson number 7, that is Kolkata. You're going to open page number 37. Already we have completed our lesson number 7 Kolkata. If you have not understood lesson number 7 Kolkata, let us revise this lesson in short in the next period also. Yes, and till that time you have to read this lesson and you have to find the hard words. Wherever you find the hard words, you are going to underline those difficult words or hard words, and you are going to read those hard words. Till that time you have to read this lesson compulsory. Okay, I am going to ask you the spelling whenever I am going to conduct a Google Meet. Okay children, till that time, bye bye, see you, take care, thank you.